So radio fix on the Zello ones following the Zello update for the in-car ones. So first thing to do is you'll see your usernames highlighted, so press the 3 people button, that moves over 3 dots, press OK. Now you want to scroll down using the down button, so options, OK, and you want to scroll down here till you find support, OK. You want to press down here now and find advanced settings. And then under advanced settings, all the way down you'll see security, and you'll see enable TLS is ticked. You need to press the OK button to untick that, and then that should be everything sorted. Now, what I have noticed, sometimes it doesn't always work straight away. It doesn't always connect. You see, it still says can't establish a connection. Sometimes you need to reboot the radio. With a bit of prattling about and going through, you can get it to connect. I'm just going to do a reboot here. And there you go. Green tick, we're now online. All back working again.